This is the green list. Number 1 is similar. My shoes are similar to yours. We both have the same color boots. Number 2 is fragile. Please carry this egg using 2 hands because it is so fragile it could break easily. Number 3 is invitation. I just received an invitation to attend the St. Patrick's Day parade. Number 4 is mobile. Once a baby becomes mobile, then you have to block the stairs so the baby won't fall down them. Number 5 is legality. The legality of driving a car involves the fact that you have to be 16 years old and have a driver's license. Number 6 is opposition. There was opposition of the neighbors, from the neighbors, when we decided to put an ice rink in our backyard. They did not want it to happen. Number 7 is metallic. I used a metallic paint on my clay project. Number 8 is preside. Dr. Zelaya will preside over the meeting of the teachers. Number 9 is similarity. There's a similarity between milk and cream. Number 10 is invite. My mom said I could invite 2 friends to come over for a play date. Number 11 is familiarity. I feel familiarity with the people who live on my block. Because we're neighbors, we feel familiar to each other. Familiarity. Number 12 is combination. I know the combination of the lock, but I can't share it with kids. Number 13 is perspiration. I felt perspiration as we sat in the classroom with closed windows because it was so hot. Number 14 is mobility. We don't have a lot of mobility because of the construction. We have to stay in a small space. Number 15 is prohibit. Your mom or your dad might prohibit you from staying out after 8 at night. Number 16 is prohibition. The prohibition of the sleepover was because none of the parents wanted their kids to stay up late. Number 17 is familiar. The new kid looks familiar because he looks a lot like Carter. Number 18 is combine. If you combine vinegar and baking soda, you will see a chemical reaction. Number 19 is fragility. Because of the fragility of the iPad, the District 97 decided to put a case on it to keep it safe. Number 20 is legal. I needed some legal advice before I bought a new house. Number 21 is metal. My key is made out of a shiny silver metal. Number 22 is oppose. I oppose the idea of keeping our blinds and windows closed because it would be too stuffy. Number 23 is perspire. The basketball players began to perspire as they worked hard in their basketball game. Number 24 is president. Our student council president helped us create our Spirit Week.